boxes. A lot of mystery boxes. This right here is from E-Bike. This is my box of awesomeness. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna say that for last. These three are from AirsoftGI. It's the Gears and Guns. These two are from AirsoftGI. They're the Gears and Guns. These two are for somebody else. I'm gonna put these aside, and I'm gonna open up these ones right here. So these are aside.
This is fucking hypnotized downstairs.
And then this is the first of the Gears and Guns. Oh, that's another.
Where's your little knife at?
The knife. Thank you, sir.
Jesus.
Gears and Guns. Box 1 of 5. Airgun Outlaws. I think this is the second Gears and Guns. Yeah, Gears and Guns 2. Hey, I got my killer out.
Oh, hey.
And some goggles.
Same ones Rob got, right?
Yeah, but I think these are different color.
Yeah, dark.
And these are the gray ones, dude. Oh, dude. Smith Optics again. That's awesome. Sweet. $40, $20 box. AirsoftGI, gotta love it.